I'd like to talk a little bit about the site and introduce its main four elements. And the first one is the app development guide. This is in a way the core of the site. It's free to use. You can download it for free of charge and use it for your own projects. You don't have to sign up for the site. You can use it, doesn't really matter. The first part of the app development guide is software independent, so it doesn't matter what software you use for the backend and what software you use for the client. So, and this app development guide, it's a method how you can create functional apps. This is not about graphics intense apps like Farmville or Civilization. This is about Uber or QuizDuo like apps, so functional apps. And this app development guide, it walks you through step by step through the app development process, from designing or defining the main your app idea until to publish it and promote it. And the first, the main one of the main goals of the app development guide is to concretize your app, your vague app idea. And it's split in three parts. I'm not talking more about that app development guide here, but this is at the core of the site in a way. The second thing that is a main element of the site are the video tutorials, obviously, and they are embedded in the app development guide itself as well. So when you walk through when you develop your app, you actually have all the relevant videos right at the correct spot in a way if you want. Obviously, you need a subscription for the video tutorials. We need to make it takes money and time to create video tutorials, high quality video tutorials. So this is one way how we aim to ensure that the videos that we make are of high quality and that they're useful. At this point, there are around it's more than 30 hours of highly specialized video tutorials. So these 30 hours or even more than that, they are specifically about how to create mobile apps using Accelerator and Drupal. And there are also tutorials that are not non-technical. So there is a tutorial on taxes, on marketing, promotion, and actually this is what we actually aim to go to provide you with a one-stop solution in a way that all the information or most of the information that you need is actually contained when it comes to app development. When you want to develop mobile apps, cross-platform mobile apps, advanced apps, then all of that is on one side and in these tutorials and actually embedded in the app development guide. Also, I'd like to mention the third part of the site. It's the app development guide source code to the app. This is an app. There is a special tutorial or a video introduction, where I'm showing you what its main features are. But you can get the main benefit of this app is that it's basically an extension to Drupal, a mobile app extension of Drupal. So when you buy that in a bundle, then you don't have to worry about user registration, user profiles, even most of the payment stuff like credit card payment using Stripe is included in that already as well. So you really, when you use this our app, then you can focus on your own custom features, and there are probably 2 or 3 depending on your app. And this dramatically speeds up the development time of your own apps. So this is the third part. And finally, one main element of the website is that we offer implementation services with Drupal 7. In particular, when you don't know how to implement something on the server, and this is the more difficult thing often, then we provide implementation services. So you actually define you say, okay, well, we want this workflow should be implemented on the server, or this data query, or this feature, the basics feature setup, and then we configure your Drupal 7 server for this. And the app, in most cases, it's just communicating and sending and receiving data. And this is actually often very simple to hook or add there is often only a few lines of code that you would need to add in the app in order to make to make it work with Drupal 7 with the backend. Also in relation to the implementation services, when you purchase some services from us, implementation services, you also get project support for your own project. So actually you can ask a couple of questions in relation to your project, and we're gonna answer those questions. So when you hire us for implementing a specific workflow with Drupal 7, you also get we also provide you then with support on your own projects. So I hope this gave you a little bit about an overview over what the site has to offer, and you might want to check out the other intro tutorials or shorter videos that in order to get a better idea what the site is all about and when the site is something for you and when the site is not something for you. Thanks for watching.